Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. The question says a coil with an inductance of 2 Henry and a resistance of 10 ohm is suddenly connected to an ideal battery with EMF is equals to 100 volt at 0.10 second. After the connection is made, what is the rate at which A is the energy is being stored in the magnetic field, B is the thermal energy is appearing in the resistance, and C is the energy is being delivered by the battery. So in this question, first thing we have to note, यहाँ पे हमें in general लिखा है कि the rate at which, then we have mentioned all three parts. So in all three parts we have to find the rate at which energy is being stored, rate at which thermal energy is appearing, and rate at which energy is being delivered. So we have to take care of this part, that all three parts we have to take rate at which. Okay, now whatever is given in the equation, first we'll write that. So given in the equation is L is equals to 2 Henry, R is equals to 10 ohm, and V is equals to 100 volt, and time t is equals to 0.10 second. Now in the A part we have to calculate d over dt ub. Now what is ub here? We will let you know. So firstly, in question we have given a inductance and a resistance which are connected to a ideal battery. So something, this is our inductor and this is the resistors, and they are connected to a battery of 100 volt. So this is the battery. Now there is a current I flow in this circuit. So the value of current for this circuit is given by the current I in the circuit is given by at any time t is equals to I is equals to V by R 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau, where tau is equals to L by R. Now on substituting the value of tau here, we will get I is equals to V by R 1 minus e to the power 1 minus e to the power minus R t by L. So this is the value of current that is flowing in this circuit. Now हमें पार्ट ए में कैलकुलेट करना है रेट एट विच एनर्जी इज बीइंग स्टोर्ड इन द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. तो फर्स्टली हम देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज द एनर्जी बीइंग स्टोर्ड इन द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, देन वी फाइंड इट्स रेट. सो मैग्नेटिक एनर्जी stored in the magnetic field is equals to or we can say energy stored in this inductor which is having the inductance L which is 2 Henry and resistor having the resistance value R which is 10 ohm. So इसकी वैल्यू होती है UB is equals to, क्योंकि एनर्जी स्टोर्ड है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में, सो वील राइट एट UB is equals to half L I square. नाउ I की वैल्यू हमें यहाँ पता है, तो I की वैल्यू हम सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं इन इक्वेशन 1. सो ऑन सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ I इन इक्वेशन 1 वी विल गेट हाफ L. I की वैल्यू है V बाई R 1 माइनस e टू द पावर माइनस R T बाई L and its whole square. So this is UB is equals to V square L by 2R square 1 minus e to the power minus RT by L whole square. So this is the value of U of B and we have to find its rate. So this is d over dt of UB. तो हम सिंपली इसे डिफ्रेंशिएट कर देते हैं, ये सब कांस्टेंट है. सो दिस इज V स्क्वायर L ओवर 2R स्क्वायर. इसका डिफ्रेंशिएशन करेंगे तो दिस इज 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 माइनस ई टू द पावर माइनस RT बाय L एंड 1 का डिफ्रेंशिएशन 0 एंड इसका डिफ्रेंशिएशन द सेम वैल्यू विद ए नेगेटिव साइन. सो दिस इज माइनस ई टू द पावर minus RT by L and then इसका differentiation this is minus R by L. So minus minus sign cancel, this L is cancel and 1R and 1R is cancel and 2 is cancel. So we will get V square over R 1 minus e to the power minus RT by L multiply by e to the power minus RT by L. ये हमें वैल्यू मिल गई d over dt of UB की. So this is our equation 2. Now we know the value of V, we know the value of R and we know the value of t, time. So on substituting all these value in this equation 2, we will get d over dt of UB. V की वैल्यू है 100, so this is 100 square. R की वैल्यू है 10 ohm, so this is 10. 1 minus e to the power minus R की वैल्यू है 10 ohm and time की वैल्यू है 0.10 second and L की वैल्यू है 2 Henry and e to the power minus R की वैल्यू है 10 ohm, T की वैल्यू है 0.10 second by L की वैल्यू है 2 Henry. So on simply mathematically calculating the value, we will get to know the value of d over dt of UB and its value is given by 238.8484 watt. See, so this is the answer of part A, and where we have to calculate rate at which energy is being stored in the magnetic field. So this we calculated. Now we have to calculate rate at which thermal energy is appearing in the resistance. So for part B, which is thermal rate at which thermal energy appearing in the resistance is so we know P is equals to E by T, where P is the power and E is energy. So if it is thermal energy, then it must be the thermal power. Now we have to find rate at which thermal energy. So if we take dE over dt of thermal energy, then this must be equals to thermal power. So here we have to calculate P thermal, and we know power is given by I square R. We know the value of I in the circuit and we know the value of R. So directly substituting the value of I and R, we can calculate the P thermal. So directly we'll substituting the value of this. So I की वैल्यू है v by r 1 minus e to the power minus r t by l. This is the value of I, and we have I square, so this is whole square multiplied by r. So on solving, this is v square by r square 1 minus e to the power minus r t by l whole square multiplied by r. So एक r से ये वाला r cancel, so this is v square by r 1 minus e to the power minus r t by l whole square, and we know the value of v, r and t. So on substituting all the values, we can get the value of pth, which is v की वैल्यू है 100 वोल्ट, सो 100 स्क्वायर बाय r की वैल्यू है 10, 1 माइनस ई टू द पावर माइनस r की वैल्यू है 10 ओम, t की वैल्यू है 0.10 सेकेंड बाय l की वैल्यू है 2 हेनरी, इट्स होल स्क्वायर. So simply mathematically calculating the value of pth, the value of pth is 154.82 watt. So this is the rate at which thermal energy appearing in the resistance. So this is the answer of part B. Okay, now in the part C we have to calculate rate at which energy is being delivered by the battery. So this is a passive device and this is also a passive device, and the meaning of passive device is that is they are absorbing the energy. This inductor will store the energy because of the magnetic field, and there is a thermal energy drop across this resistor. So whatever energy is delivered by the battery is stored in the inductor and thermal dissipation across this resistor. Part C, we have to calculate rate at which energy is being delivered by the battery. So this is equals to d over dt of ub plus p thermal. This is the energy which is stored in the inductor, and this is the energy which is dissipated across the resistor. So its value is we have calculated 238.84 watt plus 154.82 watt, which is equals to 393.60 watt, which is approximately equals to 394 watt. So this is our answer, which is being rate of energy which is being delivered by the battery. So I hope you got all these three parts. Thank you and all the very best.